Welcome, in this video we will learn securing communications with Secure Shell in Kali Linux. To minimize the detection by a target network during testing, Kali does not enable any external listening network services. Some services such as Secure Shell, that is SSH, are already installed, however they must be enabled prior to use. Kali comes pre-configured with default SSH keys. Before starting the SSH service, it's a good idea to disable the default keys and generate a unique key set for use. Move the default SSH keys to backup folder and then generate a new SSH key set using dpkg-reconfigure OpenSSH-server. The process of moving the original keys and generating the new key set. So let's open up the terminal and type cd/etc/ssh. Let's make the directory as keys using mkdir command. Type mv space ssh_host_star space keys. Now generate a new SSH key set. Type dpkg-reconfigure space OpenSSH-server. To verify that the newly generated keys are unique, calculate their MD5 sum hash values and compare with the original keys. Type MD5 sum space ssh-host-star. Now let's change the terminal path as keys directory. Type cd keys. Let's type MD5 sum space star. To start the SSH service using the menu, select Applications, Kali Linux, System Services, SSHD Start. Now I'm starting SSH from the command line using console. Type etc/init.d/ssh space start. To verify that SSH is running, perform a netstat query. So type netstat space -antp. Here we can see that the SSH daemon is listening on port 22 and so on. To stop SSH, type etc/init.d/ssh space stop. So that's it in securing communication with Secure Shell in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video.